Do you ever just get tired of eating the same food and are looking for something new in the kitchen? Well, I've got one of those items for you tonight. Going to try a new recipe. I'm going to share it with you, show you pictures, and give you the recipe so you can see if it's something you might like and want to try. Let's get into it. Hello, my friends. Welcome to my weight loss life. My name is Greg. How you doing? It's been a little while. I wanted to bring you a video today, kind of get back in the swing of things and put some content out for you guys. I appreciate each and every one of you who have been following me all along. It is greatly appreciated. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Look forward to bringing you this great recipe. Okay, guys, gonna make some egg loaf for you tonight. And I have a feeling it's going to be pretty good. It's one of those things, I would say it kind of reminds you of French toast. And without the bread, of course, it's a low carb keto recipe. And I want to show you what we did. And then I'll come back and tell you what we thought of it and give you my seal of approval if it's something you might like. Okay, guys, this egg loaf keto low carb item meal is 8 eggs, 8 ounces of cream cheese at room temperature, 1/4 cup butter, room temperature, and some cinnamon. Mix everything, pour it into a 9-inch pan and sprinkle with cinnamon. Bake 30 minutes. It will puff while baking and settle down as it cools. Test with a toothpick in the middle for doneness. Eat with sugar-free syrup, berries, and whipped cream if you like. It's gonna be good. Okay, guys, as you can see, it was really easy to make and it looked pretty good. You could top it with a couple of things. One, you could use the sugar-free syrup like we did. You could use fruit if you want to on there. If you want some berries, that would be a great option. Along with the Redi zero sugar Redi whip is a nice topping as well on there. Give it a little bit of sweetness. We made some sausage links. Those look pretty good too. We had those on the side. Those were tasty. And those were Jimmy Dean's sausage link. Those were really good. As far as the egg loaf goes, my wife and I both liked it. We both give it a thumbs up. It was pretty tasty. The oven was set on 350 degrees. I believe you make it for about 30 minutes in the oven. And it's got 8 eggs in it. It's got cream cheese. And it just overall was pretty good. I'll put the recipe below. Also, some things you could do differently. That's the beauty of these recipes. You can add what you like. If you want to throw some sausage right in the egg loaf, why not? If you want to do that, you sure could. If you want berries on the top of yours, you can do that. There's variations that you can make with these recipes, but it was good with the cream cheese in there, made it pretty fluffy, tasted pretty good. The only thing my wife said she would do different for next time is probably use more cinnamon because it didn't really say how much, so you could use more of that. Also, she's talking about putting a little swerve in there. She thinks that would add a little bit more sweetness to it, and it'd be pretty good. But it definitely reminded you of French toast with minus the bread, which is a good thing. Very low carb item, very much a keto item, and it was really good. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the best, we'll give it about a 7.5 to 8. We'll have it again, I'm sure. It was tasty, and it was really good to try. We ate the whole thing. We got 2 slices each out of it of egg bake, so there was plenty. My wife couldn't finish hers, so I kind of used a couple forkfuls and finished hers off for her, but it was really good. We used the sugar-free syrup on it, obviously, and it was tasty. So you're going to start seeing more of me bring more of these recipes to you. Sometimes we need to mix it up in the kitchen so we don't get too bored. Plus, we want to try something different, and this was a great item. My friend Brad and Trish, friends of ours, Trish put together a nice keto low carb cookbook, and we're just picking recipes out of there and doing them. And I'm going to share them with you guys so you can try them too, especially if it sounds like something you might like. But real easy to do, didn't take long to make, and we'll definitely add it to our menu and have it every once in a while. Looking forward to doing more of that. You're going to see more videos like this from me, more food videos. Just because it's not the same old weight loss video that we're talking about. I'll share things on my journey along the way, but I thought I'd show you some food items today and give you a little bit of taste of that. So we'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Take care, my friends. Remember, give me a big thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. Take care, my friends. God bless. Bye.